Due to make the button it. What the heck? Yo! I can see the green thing. Oh! Spleef. I love Spleef. Spleef is my favorite. Oh, whoa! 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 Chill! I'm gonna ruin your whole career. Why am I saying this so long? Why am I here? Okay, I guess. Oh my, you looked, okay. Finish the course. Oh, I know this. Whee! Yeah. Whee! Whee! How did I? Again, I will win this time. Do not mess up. Yes! Whee! Hi! Look at the button. It looks, it is fun. The button is that button. Oh! Why did you look like that? Dangerous hiking. Hiking can't be that The hiking can't be that dangerous, right? Oh my, that. A jump. A jump. I hate this part. A jump. A jump. A jump. Yes, 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 yes. Green! 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 Oh, I feel so bad. Get on the button. For what? Why? Why? Oh, that's why. I want to push you off. Dangerous hiking again. I already did this once and I got. Are you kidding me? Hurry up and just end the thing. Thank you. I will try it, bro. I will try it, bro. Oh, this is actually raining tacos. I thought I'd hear the song, but I guess not.
Oh my gosh.
It's a bomb! Run! Where did your arm go? Distracting dance sound. Oh! Help. I died. Yep. I hate the invisible lock. Yeah, we can. Oh wait. Goodbye. Oh wait, I already have the lock. What can I buy? Anyways, what can I buy? Okay, I get the I suck. I actually suck. Touch. What the heck? What? Huh? Wait, did I read the right one? What was this one? Man. The button is up to something. What? Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What does the button do? Button? You are weird. But oh! I hate you. The button moved. Let's see. What? My boomerang! Catch! Oh no! Why did I press it? It's spawned next to me! Go! Oh, how did you die? Oh yes, nice picture of the acorn bun. Oh! Speed out, spaced out. Oh, that's. Oh! I thought you mean something else. I think I'm going a little too up. Whee! I'm gonna land on the button and boom! Okay, I didn't land on the button. Let's go on! What the heck? Why am I dropping already? I can't! Oh, it's because we're not in space. Oh, what the? Jeez. Just gonna keep doing this. Yep. Probably not being sus right now. Oh, what the heck? Woo. Yeah. Get another boomerang. Yes, yes, yes. Press that button. A giant die will fall. Oh, I thought you mean something else. What? Did you just get the red? How is this guy still alive? Yeah, I know you cheated. You're the biggest. This house is the worst house ever. I'd rather be homeless. Oh no, it's getting faster. Oh no. Oh my. What did that name just say? Okay, that was. Who in the wow? What? That was easy. This always works. I'll press that one. Get out. Yes. Yes. What? I'm lagging. Oh. No. Oh, we clapped. Ah. No. Okay, that one has an invisible thing too. I hate when it has one. What the heck? Did you just go? What's with the lines? I'm in another button. What the heck?
Hello, sir. You are not fully clothed, but you're somehow still bathing in
And I'm still lagging.
the helicopter myself.
Or my phone's being stupid again. How am I even? TK. I'm hiding. Ah. Watch out! Oh! What? You stupid! Stay close to the light. Stay close to the light. I hate you. I actually hate you. What is wrong with you? I know you did that because I'm Titan Speaker Man. I know you did that because I'm Titan Speaker. No. 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 You better stop. Oh my god, you are so dumb. You just killed yourself. No, no. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. No. You hate me so much. I hate you. I hate you. Let's team up and kill you with a an axe or grenade. Normal stupid bullies. We'll probably kill him inside. What? Okay, he probably just cheated his way. He probably just cheated. What?